So, all right. So, Manish, maybe you should exit the live session and join again instantly, and then you'll see the option to send me a request. So, Lifetime Fan Award, that's what Fuzzcam says. I like your name, Fuzzcam. It's kind of cool. And to all the people who are sending me all the love and lots of hearts, I'm sending you lots of love back. It's nice to connect after so long. It's been a bit of a tough time. I mean, not so tough for us, but very, very tough for a lot of people. So guys, hang in there. It's going to get better. It's not just you, it's the whole world that's kind of damadole right now. So hang in there. And is it just me, or am I finding it so difficult to just who is this? All right, let me try this. You're telling your followers that you started a live session. Why can't I see Manish? What's happening to me? All right, so isn't Manish's request supposed to come right on top? Let me see if I can join his request. I thought that he started a live video. All right. Sorry guys, last time. I think Manish is going to kill me. Sorry, Manish. I am trying. Okay, so I can. All right, guys. I'm going to keep trying to get Manish live because I know he must be at it because he's so punctual and he probably wants to kill me right now. But lucky me, I'm in LA, so he can't kill me. All right. So do you guys have any? Yeah, please. I have one because as you can see how amazing I am that I can't even figure this out. So Suchita says take my name. Hi Suchita. There's an option to see requests at the bottom. Okay, maybe you guys can help me because so is the question mark the request? Oops. Shit. What is happening? Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry for this. Okay. So I'm option to see requests at the bottom. Okay. Sorry, Manish. Still trying to figure this out. Send a request to be in PG's live video. So, wait. I had somebody trying to help me out on the phone, guys, so please be patient. So it's the smiley section, right? Manish Malhotra, yes.
I have been like, here is my request. Preeti, look at my request. Hello. Hi. How are you?
If I was born maybe 10, 15 years earlier, I would have been amazing with Instagram. But
Hey,
uh,
but listen, look who you're talking to. I'm older than you and much older than you.
no, you can never be
How
older
about
than you're younger than every actress I know. So it's before I start gushing on you, it's so nice to see you. You look really good. Um, the cheekbones.
so it's more for you and it's like bedtime for me.
I know, and me, I'm the owl. I can stay up all night, but I had to wake up early today because I wanted to figure this out, but I still screwed it up. And but I'm so happy you're here, and I'm so happy we're here talking with everybody. Um, I have a couple of questions that people want to ask. Have you done this live session with two people before,
With two people.
like you
No,
and me? I mean,
yeah,
it's like
yeah. I got the
you
two
have.
more. Yeah?
So the question from Nietzsche, these are the many. So
Yes.
you look handsome. Somebody saying, ah ha ha. Acha, what about mujhko bhi
So,
compliment
you
de
know,
do?
Preeti, when we spoke about this, that we're going to chat and catch up, I just kept remembering our dinner at the Meridian Hotel, Delhi. And I was telling you, I said, Preeti, you're so focused, you're going to be a very big heroine. And the next morning, our wake up call was at 5 a.m. because you had to be on set at 6 a.m. for your first shot ever, which was with Mani Ratnam and Shah Rukh Khan, the two great people. And I remember it was on the streets of Delhi and it was for Dil Se.
I know. You know what I remember of Dilse? I don't remember that dinner. I'm so sorry. Um I remember having
Don't
a panic
tell me
attack.
that you're going to be a very big heroine because I'm very
I
good at doing that.
I remember that. I remember you said that to me actually when you saw the rushes of Kya Kehna. I remember you came to see the rushes of Kya Kehna and you said that to me. And I was so nervous. I was like, oh, he's being so nice and he's being so. Because, being somebody who was never part of the film industry, you were my family at that point because I mean, I know I don't want to sound like I'm gushing and all, but you really taught me so much. I mean, the two people who I learned a lot from at the start of my career definitely was you and Shah Rukh. Shah Rukh taught me everything in terms of how to stand in front of camera. You taught me everything of like, what should I wear, what looks good on me, how my body should be. And I'm so grateful because today, I don't know how it works today because um, things have changed so much since then because life was all about, the hero, the heroine, and the costumes and stuff. But I remember in Dilse, I had a panic attack. By the way, for all the people, if they saw that Jia Jale song, my Jia Jale, that song, I had no costume trials and I remember Shah Rukh called me at 5:36 a.m. and he said, "What are you doing for the next 20 days?" And I just come back from soldier shoot, and I said, "Nothing." And he's like, "Why don't you come to Delhi? Money so wants to meet you." And I show up in Delhi, and they're like, "Oh, you're shooting from tomorrow. Go back." And I remember meeting you when I came back, and I had a panic attack. And then when I had to shoot Jia Jale, the costumes just showed up on set, and then I looked at them and I was like. But when I wore them, they were so perfect. And I remember Manisa coming and telling me, "Don't worry, you're going to look good." And because I never worn anything so chotu and really.
Here, I want to ask you a question. For you to be just entering into movies and doing this sexy song with Shah Rukh Khan and those itsy bitsy cholis, what did you feel? Because you did such a good job.
It wasn't cheap, and that
No,
was important for me. I had
and
time for that because he made me so comfortable, and I really love him. And I have Farah to thank for that because Farah made sure it was very aesthetic. Being a choreographer, she really took care of everything. And I have the whole crew, Manisa and everybody, because they all took care of it. But I can sum it up in one line. Shah Rukh told me, "Think you're an animal," because I was like, and I had a mirror which was this much, and I was looking at it like this, and he was like, "Just relax and think you're an animal. What animal can you think of?" And I was like, "An ass." And he was like, "No." But it was, I don't know how Girte Patte wo Gana kar diya, and I felt sick. And I remember going to Kerala and Spice Village and Tekadi and all those areas and being like, wow. And the whole song was shot with a little bit of rain. Um, I was constantly wet, but it was like I did have fun shooting it because I felt very safe and comfortable. And I don't know if the today's generation will get to work with Shah Rukh Khan that way because he really amazing, like Papa Bear. He took such great care of me. I just love him. I always love him for that. And he
Yeah.
taught me how to stand and give pacing, and he taught me how to, when the camera is moving like this. And then even in that scene, when I asked him, "Are you a virgin?" They asked me like, "Why don't you improvise?" And I was like, "What's improvising?" And Shah Rukh said, "The whole day you keep talking, so just talk, do whatever you want." So.
You have been really lucky with music because Dilsej's music was so popular. Then Soldier's music was so popular. Kya Kehna's music. And Soldier, do you remember that powder blue outfit? That Nayo Nayo Kehna, that Nayo Nayo, that song was like that.
Manish, I cannot tell you how many people loved it, and it was so simple. That's what I really love about your clothes. That they're so simple, and you were so honest with me. You were like, "Oh, you don't need too much do da. You just need a nice color, and you need something simple." And I was like, I remember asking you, "Oh, should we not make it a little more like outfit?" I remember you saying that to me. Because I was like, bus, because when I saw it, I was like, okay. But when I wore it, it looked so good. And it just kind of worked because that outfit, I love my lehenga from Dilse. I wish I could maro it and whack it, but I was so nervous and I was such a newcomer, I was so scared.
But
But
I think our film, I think the best movie that we did together for me in terms of style and everything was Kal Ho Na. I mean, do you remember that all the clothes in New York and the styling and the alterations entire night, to get everything fitted correctly. And I think it was one of your best looks. And first we started in Toronto with your glasses and all of it.
yes, I do think Kal Ho Na Ho would definitely top the list. And I would also like to add Veer Zara to it because the amount
Yeah,
of work you did in Veer
that
Zara.
was
Only
Indian.
I know the amount of work you did because you bring. So that's the only film, and God bless Yash Uncle. Um,
I miss him. He's just so
I
lovely.
really miss.
Really.
What a pleasure he was to work with.
Yeah.
And I remember like we did what like 15 days of trials or what, and I've done so many trials in my life, and I
Yeah.
was nervous. I was like, "Abhi kya?" But I just zipped it because when you have Mr. Yash Chopra and you have Manish, two of them together, I was like, I'm not even going to say a word. So I didn't even say a word.
And so we already done Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, we've done Dil To Pagal Hai, we've done Mohabbatein, and then it was Veer Zara. So we had become quite a team. I understood what he likes and what Aditya Chopra likes. And yeah, but it was such a lovely film and you look beautiful.
I know. I mean, I used to look at those costumes, those embroidery. I mean, I don't think people know that even that little buta of embroidery and everything was researched. And I remember once sitting in that meeting and I was like, oh God. I mean, and he told me, he's like, I know you must be thinking, beta, that I'm taking so many days for trials, but on set, I just want you to have no confusion and everything is organized. And I think he was one of the most organized directors that way.
I think in movies, especially in that time when glamour was quintessential, I think we worked for 22 hours out of 24 hours. It was crazy because fittings and then alterations and then shooting and then embroidery and
I love him. Prasad Masterji, by the way, I don't know people if you guys know this, but he obviously Manish has so many of these Masterjis that work for him. But Prasad Masterji has seen every heroine in some weird format. Like, and he'll stitch it from here and he'll last minute or
but I think he was there with us and I would pick up clothes, do fittings with you, cut them, stitch them in New York.
Yeah,
and it was, yeah.
And remember the red dress? Oh, guys, do you remember the red dress? The famous red dress, which so we used to call it the awful panoti dress. Because every time that red dress came out, there was either rain or there was a problem or somebody shot somebody outside where we were shooting. And then one fine day, everything was fine, and Shiraz was costume that time, or was part of costume that time, and everything was fine. And we were like, "Yeah, let's shoot." Where's the red dress? And Shiraz forgot to get the red dress.